The quad monitor. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We got the quad monitor. Have you ever had a laptop and you're just like, damn, this is only one screen. Man, I wish I could do 4 things at once. Well, boy, do I have you covered. This is the KYY X90G. They're the absolute king of laptop screen extenders. But we covered the triple monitor from KYY in the past, and it's absolutely one of the best portable monitors or screen laptop extenders we've ever reviewed. It was extremely high quality and actually like portable and easy to put away in a backpack. We've used it a couple times, took it with me on vacation. It was nice. I don't expect this to let me down. Does it seem a bit excessive? I don't think so. I'm ready for the Penta monitor. Let's go. Okay, let's get this open. It can turn your laptop into a 4-screen workstation anywhere. So it's good for studying, editing, gaming, and of course, work, right? Am I right? Work. You know what I mean? IPS panels, 3 of them, 15.6 inch screen. They are 1920 by 1080 and 16 by 9 typical aspect ratio. Dude, I'm so excited to be quad monitoring in just a few short minutes. This is just the quick start guide. And then we have the user guide. Very nice. And then the man, the myth, the legend, quad monitor. Yeah, look at that. That's it. You can fit so much monitor in this bad boy. Look at how thin that is. That's clean, dude. That's like a little bit thicker than just a laptop by itself. We also have more stuff in the box. Nice little cutouts for it. Respect. Let's just take all this stuff out. That's a charging block. That's a charging cable. And what is this mystery drive? We got a Type-C to angled 90-degree Type-C, and it also has an adapter on it in case you don't have that Type-C if you want to make a Type-A. Very nice. And it's blue, so you know it's quick, right? I think that's the rule. Look at that. Huh? That looks like a cutting board. A little kickstand. It goes all the way 90 degrees. There's some rubber here, and it wraps all the way around. And there's some rubber feet on the bottom of it as well. So now we know where the back is. Let's see how to open this. Should I be doing this, just holding it up? I'm going for it. Okay, this one goes this way. This one goes this way. Let me hold the handle. I should be setting this down on the desk, okay? But, you know. Whoa. Dude, we're literally quad monitoring right now. Hold on. Check that out. Easy to fold out, easy to put away, not bad. Okay, so for I/O, for the side, we have a little bit of control here. We have 2 Type-Cs, one for battery, one for connection to the laptop. And then on the front here, on each monitor, pretty similar. You have a power button, a plus and minus, and a menu button. And then on the top monitor, it's over here. Plus, there's a menu, a minus, and a power button. And then on this side, it's right here. Minus, menu, plus. No power button on this one. So let's just set it down on the desk here. And let's take a look at this freaking behemoth. Boom. Boom. Look at how wide that goes. And see how they did in shipping, huh? I'm not too worried about it. Okay. All I know is this thing gives me major Dwight Schrute vibes. That's all I know. You guys remember Quad Desk? This gives me mad quad desk vibes. There's just so much utility. This is more monitor than I have in my main setup. If you're businessing on this, that's a lot of businessing. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I'll figure out all these cords and stuff, and I'll see you in a second with a laptop. Quad monitor, we got it set up. It's giving me, like I said, major Dwight Schrute vibes. We got so much going on here. I got some Google going on here. I got my YouTube channel right here. We got a YouTube video over here. And we got Asphalt 9, I think, right here. So we're gonna play some game. We got so much going on here, it's not even funny. So I got some, I mean, for me, you know, I got some work stuff. I got some, you know, searching, research. I got maybe a little distraction over here. And then, you know, of course, my main job, playing Asphalt 9. Maybe what do you guys think, huh? This ain't bad, actually. You know, I thought it was a little over the top at first, but now that I'm looking at it, like, this is a beast. This is a productivity machine. I bet, like this one especially, I really like the top monitor. Like, this makes me want to get like a top monitor for my desk. I really like this. Look at those whales over there. That's so cool. I got the Amazon here pulled up on the extra screen. You know what I'm saying? It's a 15.6 inch FHD. That's 1080p. It's for a 12 to 17.3 inch laptop. It's $479 right now. now on sale. 1080p, 15.6 inch screens. They're full HD IPS and they're 60 hertz refresh rate. You know, if 4 is too many, there's the tri-monitor that we reviewed before. It was amazing. That one is on sale right now for $216, which is a really good deal. It used to be in the 300s. Obviously, this is the correct choice. Look at it. It's amazing. Everyone will stop at your desk and be like, yo, let me get the link for that. Honestly, this is a conversation starter. No one's walking by that and being like, yo, I don't want that. So that's a little extra info on it. I could look at that right in the middle of my Asphalt 9. No, they did it. No. I'm leaving that in the video. I'm gonna play my game now. How do I do it to him? We're gonna go, I think I went Lancer last time, so we're gonna go Camaro this time. I have to like lock in with both hands here. I know I've done this before, but I don't remember how it's done. Maybe the muscle memory will just kick in. Look at this, like this is ridiculous gaming. Think about this. This is all on the NIMO laptop right now. How is NIMO even surviving? Oh my god, well, am I doing it with the mouse now? What's going on? What's happening? Am I mousing? Oh, we're good. Oh, I'm doing it to him. I'm doing something. Let's get it. Too easy, man. Look at that. That was KYY X90G, so if you like to turn your laptop into an absolute productivity machine, even my little NIMO that doesn't have much power, even that one was able to handle casting to 3 external monitors. Although gaming while casting to these monitors on like a Chromebook probably would not be the greatest idea. But you know, hey, if you need 4 monitor, this is your stop. I really do like this thing, like all jokes aside, I think it's a really cool thing. And I think that regardless of like whether this would be useful for you or not, I think that KYY pulled it off flawlessly, and I think that it just looks like really sleek, and I think that it just like folds down real nice and it feels high quality and like metal and not all plastic, which I just really appreciate. So anyways, if you'd like to check out KYY X90G, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Smash like, subscribe on this video, and I will see you in the next tech review. Thanks, KYY. Bye.